Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you all are doing great. Before we start, tell me honestly, have you ever looked at your Chitra Bougainvillea and thought, why are you growing like you want to touch the next building? These plants like producing extra long branches, but growing fuller, blooming more, that's where they make us to work. In today's video, I am going to show you how I finally made my Chitra Bougainvilleas to stop acting like a vine and start behaving like a proper, fuller, blooming machine. And I will share exactly what I did month by month. No secrets, no shortcut hidden. Here you can see some of my Chitra Bougainvilleas on my balcony. Not going to lie, I was not liking the look. Long branches everywhere like they were training for longest branch competition. So it's time to work on them. And the very first thing we need to do is hard pruning. I know it looks brutal. You might be thinking, are we supposed to love our plants or scare them? Trust me, don't be afraid. Chitra Bougainvilleas are tougher than they look, much hardier than many other varieties. Here it is how they look after hard pruning. Now let's move to the next step. I am removing few inches of the surrounding soil. You can also repot if you like. Next, I am going to add some important components. 1 kg vermicompost. Spread evenly and lightly till the top layer. 50 grams mustard cake powder. 50 grams bone meal. Then I cover everything with a basic potting soil mix. 50% normal garden soil, 25% coco peat and 25% vermicompost. This was done in May, which is the perfect time. From May onwards, they start to grow. They rarely bloom in summer, so it's ideal time for shaping and feeding. Quick note, these are 16-inch wider and 16-inch deeper pot. If you are using smaller pot like 10 to 12 inches, reduce the dose by 50%. Let's jump to the next important updates. Look like plants are waking up. Some others are also pushing new shoots. But as you can see, surprise, surprise, long branches again. And that's why I am pruning again. After pruning, it was done in June. Lots of side branches now, finally looking fuller. But I am still pruning. Pruning at the right time is everything, so I am mentioning each month clearly. Growing well, but again the branches want to be the long distance runner. Pruned here and it grew another long branch. See here, first pruning made 2 side branches, second pruning made even more. This is exactly what we want. Still producing long branches, so let's prune again. This is the final pruning because they start blooming from December onwards. Of course, blooming time may vary depending on the temperature in your place, so adjust accordingly. In total, I pruned 4 times. Here is the final result, recorded in March, after 9 months. Please wait, don't skip yet, as there are few more important things you should know. This is the right time to feed again. If you skip this, they are not going to grow well. First, removing the surrounding soil. You can repot if you want. Then add 1 kg vermicompost. Please avoid feeding your Chitra Bougainvilleas too often. 2 to 3 times is more than enough. Once in May, once in September, and optionally once in July. Then add 50 grams mustard cake, 50 grams bone meal. Cover everything with basic protein soil mix, which is again like 50% normal garden soil, 25% vermicompost and 25% coco peat. New growth begins. Some other plants are still blooming because I haven't fertilized them yet, but I will be doing that very soon. Two important notes. To encourage more flowers, you can use potassium humate from September onwards, every 30 to 40 days. Dose 2 grams in 1 liter of water. I did not use it this time. Number 2. Hydrangea bloom the most in May to June, but with proper care they bloom much longer. To know what I do, don't miss the next video. If you found the video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.